Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't and join my happy little family here. So today I just want to go over a few products that I recently purchased and give you some swatches. So first of all, we'll go ahead and we'll start with this beautiful matte color from Lyly. It is it's called satin. It's called Amore Satin Matte, and it's a really pretty color. Definitely inexpensive. You can pick it up at any drugstore. So we'll go ahead and swatch so you can see. This is a really pretty lip color. It's kind of a satin purple. Kind of looks like a little lilac. It's really pretty, but it is a beautiful color. So along with that, I went ahead and picked up a Lyly lip liner, and this is in the color All Natural. Go ahead and swatch that right there. Also a very pretty color. Goes good with any lipstick. Love that. So, and it says it's long wearing, easy glide formula to line and fill the lip. I'm a person that if I can't find the right lipstick to go with my lip liner, or just to go with whatever I'm wearing that day, but I absolutely love my lip liner, I'll use my lip liner not only to fill my lip lines, but also just to put it all over my lips. Sometimes you just can't go wrong. Next one is, I picked up this lippy from Morphe in the color Jealous. So let's go ahead and swatch that and see. And this one I believe is a matte as well. That is a really pretty kind of purple as well. Do you notice how I like to stick into this tone here? I realize that a lot of the things that I purchase, especially when it comes to lips, I usually stay within this range, or in a nude, or in the not too much light pinks but not too dark, like in the in-between pinks. I don't know, I just feel it goes best with my color. Anyways, next thing I picked up is not a lip, but I went ahead and I found these at Ulta, and they are I Love Revolution, I believe, the nude chocolate. Anyways, it's right there. Looks like chocolate. This is an eyeshadow palette. I'll go ahead and open that. It has a great mirror, and then flip over this way. Here are the colors. These are really pretty colors. Doesn't tell us what the colors are, but I'll go ahead and swatch them for you. So first of all, this very top one, I would assume is a highlighter. That's very shimmery and nice. Definitely love that one. Next one here, it's like a gold, a bronze gold. That one is really pretty. It's beautiful. And it has a lot of pigment, so it's really nice. Next one, I'm moving on. It's another, I would say another highlighter, because it has a very light pink shade on it. Next one is a matte brown. On that one, but I don't know how well I would like that one, because it seems like it drags out, but it's pretty. Then there's another, let me go ahead and wipe. There's another, that first brown was this one. Now there's another brown here. It doesn't tell me what colors they are, the name of the colors, but this one would be the other brown one. This one's more of a chocolate. This one looks like a milk chocolate. This one looks like a dark chocolate. Both really pretty. Seems like it'll blend out pretty even. Next one is this pretty mauve color. Let's see if I can go this way now. That's a pretty color as well. Then we have this peach looking color. It's a matte color. This one you need to pick up quite a lot in order to see it. At least for my skin tone, you would need to pick up quite a bit. And then the last one seems like it's another highlighter type color. This is all this nude chocolate from I Love Revolution. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off everything that I just swatched on. Now I have another I Love Revolution one, and I believe it's within that chocolate palette family. And it's this pretty color. And it's called Rose Gold Chocolate. I love the packaging, by the way. It just makes you want to have some chocolate. But not only that, the dripping looks amazing. All right, so in this one, these are the colors that is in it, and I will go ahead and swatch. This one I already used, as you can see, and I absolutely loved it. So the first color is a nice shiny pink right here. The next one is more of a matte, I would say lilac nude pink. Really pretty as well. Then we go back into that peachy look that I think the nude chocolate had. I think you really have to pick up a lot just to see it. If you can see that there. Then we have like a darker pink down here. Really pretty. Moving up to a lighter lilac color. More of a shimmer as well. Really pretty color. Moving on to another deep matte purple, kind of. Then we have a lighter matte. It's more of a grayish tone than this pink matte. It's this one right here. Let's see what that one looks like. Yes, this one more has a gray undertone to it, but it's really pretty as well. And then last but not least, I would say would be the base for this one, for this palette, which is like a matte light brown. Now, moving on to blush, I did pick up this ColourPop blush. It's called Super Shock Cheek in the color Tasty. And I saw this at Ulta as well, and I said I needed to try it because it just looked really pretty. On the camera, it picks up kind of goldish, but it is more of a pink color. And it's so smooth. Let me tell you, when I just rubbed my finger on it, it felt like a cloud. That is pretty. It literally feels like a little cloud, a little marshmallow puff. And this is for your cheeks. This is really pretty. I think this one looks so great for the summertime. It's a really pretty cheek color. All right, also for ColourPop, I picked up Mar. It is a pressed powder palette. So the colors it has is called El Rey, Wild One, Detour, Boozy, Gridlock, Sorbet. I believe that would be abbreviated for Highway, Top Down, and My Way. This is what it looks like. Okay, so check out these colors. Check out these colors. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this royal blue. Really pretty. Ooh, yes, child. Look at that blue. We got a nice brown, shimmery brown here. Beautiful. This one would be the highlighter in the palette. So right off, the blue is called El Rey. This one is called Wild One, and then the next one would be Detour. Look at those colors together, amazing, amazing. Middle row is a matte light brown color. If you can see that, it actually looks pink in the camera. Really pretty. Next one is this shimmery ocean green type color. Oh, this one up here. Oh, look at that. That is like a mermaid blue color. I love it. And then we have a nice orangey. Orangey color. Those are beautiful. Let me go ahead and wipe down so I can go ahead and swatch the last row. So the last row is this beautiful bronze color here. Go ahead and put it on this side of my hand. Ooh, look at that, child. I'm just in love with bronze colors. This is a matte brown. Oh wow. Oh wow, a little bit goes a long way with that one. You just really need a light hand on that. I'm interested to see on how that would blend. And then of course this light pretty green here. And that one is beautiful too. These are all really pretty colors. I cannot wait to try them. Definitely love the colors in this palette. Now the next thing that I picked up was the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And this one is Dark Magic. And these as well have these beautiful earth tone colors. I'm not going to swatch all of them. I'm just probably going to pick up 3. I definitely want to see how they come out. Those colors are really pretty, especially that one. Yeah, I want to see how they come out because they're very well pigmented. They're really pretty. This palette is beautiful. So like I said, it's earth tone colors. It's really good for fall as well as winter. I don't know, when it comes to winter, I love the dark colors. I like to have, you know, dark hair, have light hair for the summertime, and just have that nice rich dark makeup colors. the burgundies, the greens, and you know, things like that. The rich earth tones I definitely love. But summertime is coming, and to me, makeup, you should be able to express yourself. It doesn't matter what time of year it is, doesn't matter what type of day, event, if it's daytime, if it's nighttime, however you feel. I think everyone should express themselves however they want when it comes to makeup. So I say, do your thing, love what you do, love playing with makeup, create different looks, just be you and let that reflect yourself through your makeup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is it for today. If you want to see a look with any of these products, go ahead and leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much, and until next time.